could be the end, TWF fans.
I found it on the cabinet.
Match away from warding off the Sinistras forever. And to celebrate, I have made my new amazing energy drink, Colonel Cossack's secret amazing power tonic. Colonel, you already made that. I did? What? I don't remember this. Well, I do. It was when the Big Time and Mr. Extremo were first going at it. I repeated something I did? No! This is not supposed to happen! I want a refund! Ladies and gentlemen, in this corner, an alien creature from parts unknown whose list of crimes is anything but, representing the Sinistras, the Visitor! Surprised the Sinistras didn't have the Visitor wrestle earlier. He's one of their strongest and most fearsome fighters. I'm sure they would have gotten a win early on with him. Don't say that, kid. You're giving them advice. Oh boy, you're right. Disregard. And in this corner, representing the Mighty Dexteros. When this wrestler says he has a beef with you, you can take that as a personal threat. Pierre Pamplemousse. Go get him, Pierre! Pierre can be the last Dextera victory we need to get rid of. Stop it, Dick! I'm in the middle of creating my own clone! Clone? Yes! That way I can enjoy Thrasher twice as much as normal! Colonel, you've already made a clone, remember? Queen Ever Creepy versus Danny Kaboom? No! Sinistras, Dexteros, thumbs up, Chrono! Lock him up! 4, 3, 2, 1. Who will be the strongest now? My final match is against an Earthling consumables creator? Ha! Not a worthy match for a mighty warrior such as myself. Do not be so easy. Everything was so lost in the air. I have many powers that you would not begin to comprehend. Observe! Pierre comes right out of the gate with a spatula storm. Ah, ah, ow! What are these fiendish contraptions you are throwing at me? Insolent alien creature! These are my specials! Obnoxious is what they are. Pierre unleashes a Baker's Fury! Downtown to pin you to the ground! Oh. The Visitor has teleported outside the ring! Come and get me, Food Man! Come and get me! Miss me! Miss me! Now you got to kiss him! No, he does not! Round one ends with the Visitor being up to his old tricks, but Pierre seems to be holding his own.
Alright.
I wonder what will happen. I can tell you what's going to happen. I'm going to get better at my play-by-play commentary by imitating you, the Thompson. Colonel, you did that already? Captain Purple versus Mahi Mahi Mindy? Oh, come on!
These are the spikes.
News has arranged a table of, wow, really delicious-looking baked goods. I want some. Give them here. And don't you sticky, smelly kids in TV land get in my way. Colonel, you did that twice already. I don't understand. What's all this? This is a peace offering. One of my best desserts here for you to enjoy. Are you kidding? Enjoy Earth food? I could do no such thing. Do not be so, how you say, picky. Go on and try. There's the lemon custard cream. There's the barbarian cream. So much cream, I'm getting hungry. Eclair, therefore, or even a simple muffin. I don't want any of this. I don't even know if I can eat it. My digestive system is not used to such garbage. Garbage? You dare call my food garbage? I'll show you what for. Yowza, another mine! If you do not want to eat my food, which by the way was not taken in any way, then perhaps you shall experience my food in another way. Uh-oh. Oh. That's not going to be enough to destroy me. See, perhaps I shall use more of my arsenal. Oil slick custard cream. Oil slick custard cream? Ha! That's not going to be enough to... Oh! Fantastic fillings! Round 2 is over and the Visitor has slipped up Pierre Pamplemousse's... I don't know what you call that. Baked good oil slick? Who puts oil in a donut? Perhaps it is some kind of hoity-toity French custom, which will not bother me because I'm becoming chill and zen. Colonel, time. Come on. We're not even reusing old bits at this point. This is so annoying. I just want to go to another planet and see all the crazy alien clowns. I saw Phil versus the cheetah. Trash said I was running out of ideas, and I didn't listen. And then we had a big fight. Wasabi versus Dwayne Greenwich. All this craziness, it's making me go blind. And I'm TG versus the Scorpion. Stop it! Stop it right now! You're hurting my heart!
Here's the foot.
Oh, look, it's Cat Shadow Beast, my favorite food.
I do not understand. Why did you bring this into the ring?
I just wanted to see if you could cook with it. If you could, then I just might have to admit that you are the greatest food preparer in the galaxy.
Oh, challenge accepted.
Wait, I don't know if I do that. He's got some trick up his sleeve. I know it.
I don't wear sleeves. That's how you know you can trust me.
Very well, I shall make something to this real sad Cat Shadow Beast. Uh-oh, I don't like the looks of this, folks. Perhaps maybe a casserole, or some kind of roaster. The Shadow Beast has broken free from the can and is attacking Pierre Pamplemousse. Get back!
Here's the
Get back,
discs.
I say. Stop it! Stop it!
Oh, no! Did I forget to mention that Cat Shadow Beast always comes alive? That way we know it's fresh.
This episode, tonight, we're gonna draw Saint Nemus. What? I already drew this. Oh yeah. I know that. This is one of his transformations. Saint Nemus has the ability to, how you say, transform into different attributes. For starters, he can transform into, he can swap to darkus, his dark type attribute. From, well, you saw it happen. Unlike its previous, well, it has the ability to change his. Alright. Take two. He can change his he can swap his attribute by spinning the discs on his thighs, his calves, and, well, one of the forms can be none other than the dark type attribute known as darkus.
So what I believe he will have is an opportunity to come before Congress and set the record straight. One thing I will say in his defense is it appears that Musk in the first Twitter dump made reference that Dorsey didn't know everything that was going on. That these other three individuals who we already have requested their presence in front of Congress, that they may have been acting unilaterally. Now, the second dump comes closer to implicating Dorsey, so he's going to have an opportunity to come before Congress. Big tech was always going to be a big priority for a Republican majority, even before the Twitter dump. Elon Musk is doing a great service to the American people and really helping out Republicans in our quest to get to the truth with respect to big tech censorship.
All right, and Washington Post ran this headline on this morning, so meet the congressman planning House Republicans.
Here's the spear.
Investigation. You sat down with them for a pretty lengthy interview. You talked about the 40 to 50 different investigations you plan to launch as the chairman of House Oversight in the new year. One of them obviously is the Hunter Biden investigation. I'll ask you about that while pointing out there seems to be a growing number of members of your own party who are warning they don't really want to prioritize this in the new year. This was New Hampshire Republican Governor Kristen Union in a podcast.
I want the next generation of Republicans to know that what they see today with the partisanship and the anger and all that kind of stuff
there we are.
Rodney pouring cold water on good things Republicans are doing, but I will close with this. We're going to be doing a lot of things. We're going to be focused on the border. We're going to be focused on reducing spending, which is our
Here's Saint Nemes's disc.
other quality pieces of our legislative agenda. Oversight and accountability will be done.
Did you know that after these Bakugan evolve, they can, if they have the ability to change, if they have the ability to swap their attribute, their bodies change form as well. It's just like Siege's sword. No, right? First time seeing that. There we are. That is how you draw Darkus Saint Nemus. Hopefully we'll get to see more like this coming soon. Ellico did the same thing when every time he transforms into a different type. Let this be a reminder that Bakugan might never stop evolving. That's all for now. Good night.